Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to upgrade to Windows 11. Now, in the first video, we showed you how you can check if your Windows 10 computer is compatible to go to Windows 11, and also we showed you how to create a USB installation media that you can do a clean install of Windows 11 from a USB stick. Now, in this second video, we're going to start the process of the actual upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now, we will put the links to the Microsoft websites onto the YouTube video later on. But right now, all you need to do is go to the Microsoft Software Download Windows 11 page and click on Download Now. But also, remember, if you want to double check, you can click on the Before You Begin, and it will give you a little point form numbered of what you really need to do to get things ready. So once you've done that, you can click Download Now. Click that right now, and it wants to download the media. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put that onto the desktop. We've got the executable file. We'll click on that Windows 11 executable file. Windows 10 is double checking the user UAC, basically. Click yes. And then again, terms and conditions, we accept. And we are downloading right now. So when it comes to the second and third part of the Windows 11 installation, like when we created the USB media, it does the verification, and then the third step is the installation process. As you can see, it's going up in percentage, and we should be there soon. It's actually quite quick. It's moving up the percentage quite quickly, went to 70% quite quickly, but we may have hit a snag, but we'll see how long it takes to move further up the percentage. Once the download has finished, you will basically see a notification to either restart later or restart now. You click on restart now. Now I will lose the video output from this, so I'm going to end the video and restart, but then you will see the system BIOS kind of screens, and it will just go through the process. Now what I will do for those images, I will find those images online and post them for you, and hopefully that'll be enough to show you guys the entire process. But if you have any questions, you can always send us an email, contact AmpleBlaze, so it's info@ampleblaze.com, and just if you have any issues in regards to updating to Windows 11, let us know. But yes, I'm going to hit restart now and go through the entire process, and then once we get back into Windows 11 and I can record again, I will show you the continuation of the process after this. So you can see that it's doing that part of the restart process after you go from Windows. So it was at 32%, I think, just then. There you go. The camera quality may not be that great, but at least it's giving you something. Now it did say on that final screen that it may take up to half an hour to do that. Hopefully it doesn't, because I can't hold my camera for that long. But as you can see, it's going through this process. And of course, you've got to make sure that you've got it plugged into the AC power. So I wouldn't be doing this on a full battery either. Just to be safe, make sure that you're plugged in and going through this process. So we're getting that high screen again, and then it's getting stuff ready. This is Windows 11 by the looks of it. So after the reboot, you can see that we are on Windows 11 and the start menu is now in the center. Kind of like gives you that Mac feeling. So Windows and Mac, they've married by the looks of it. But this is basically Windows 11. Now, can we check, make sure? Let's have a look. And you can see we're on Windows 11. We're on version 21H2. That's the build version. So that's Windows 11, ladies and gentlemen. There'll be other videos that I will be creating for Windows 11. But this is it. You're on Windows 11 and you've got your start menu. You click that. You've got your start menu and you've got your search. You got your little icons here. You've got another search option there. The desktops, you can actually create new desktops this way now. That's your widgets. These are your icons as before, but everything is in the center now. I'm going to close that. There we go. So this is Windows 11. Thank you for watching. See you next time.